Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper without tools. Many common zipper problems can be resolved quickly and easily using just your hands. We will cover how to realign stubborn teeth, tighten a loose slider, and even reattach a missing pull. These simple techniques can save your favorite jacket or bag, giving it a second life with minimal effort and no special equipment needed. If your zipper teeth are not lining up, start by pulling the fabric taut on both sides of the zipper. This helps to relieve tension. Next, carefully work the slider all the way down past the area where the teeth are misaligned. Then, slowly and deliberately pull the slider back up. Guide the teeth into their proper position as the slider moves, ensuring they interlock correctly. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times if necessary. A loose slider is a common culprit for a zipper that won't stay closed. To fix this, gently squeeze the sides of the slider with your fingers. Apply slight, even pressure to the top and bottom plates of the slider. The goal is to slightly narrow the gap, allowing it to grip the teeth more firmly. Make very small adjustments, then test the zipper. Repeat this process until the slider holds the teeth securely but still moves smoothly. If your zipper pull has broken off, you can easily create a temporary replacement. Find a small paperclip or a similar thin, sturdy item. Unbend one end of the paperclip slightly. Thread this end through the small hole on the zipper slider where the original pull was attached. Once it's through, bend the paperclip back into a secure loop or hook shape. This creates a functional new pull, allowing you to operate the zipper with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.